You can actually make a very simple motor with just a battery, a magnet, and a piece of wire. Thanks to the Lorentz force, when an electric current flows through the wire, because it's touching the battery terminals, it creates a magnetic field around it. If you place this wire near a strong magnet, the magnetic field of the current interacts with the magnetic field of the magnet. This interaction produces a force on the wire called the Lorentz force, which pushes the wire sideways. If you bend the wire into a loop so that it can spin freely around the battery and magnet, the force keeps pushing on it in a way that makes it rotate. That's the same principle that real electric motors use, just in a very simple form. So, in short, battery supplies current. Wire carries the current. Magnet provides the magnetic field. Lorentz force pushes the wire, making it spin like a motor. It's a mini demonstration of how electricity can turn into motion. Like, share, and subscribe for more science videos.